Ang nag-utos po sa akin na i-release ang pera na 125M sa security officer na si Colonel Lachica ay si Ma'am Sara Duterte.
You turned over 125 million pesos to Colonel Lachica precisely para siya yung mag-disburse ng 125 million pesos for the supposed confidential activities ng Office of the Vice President. Tama po ba?
Misleading, Your Honor.
What?
Why is it misleading, counsel?
Your Honor, the witness has yet to testify on anything
Wait.
that the
I'm leading her.
question is premised on, Your Honor.
Overruled, counsel. Witness said that she was instructed by the head of agency, the vice president, to give the money to, anong word ginamit niyo, ma'am? Transfer?
Release.
Release. To release the money to Colonel Lachica. Proceed, counsel.
Now, hindi po ba na nag-testify ka rin sa November 25, 2024 Committee on Good Government hearing na binigay mo yung 125 million pesos kay Colonel Lachica kasi si Lachica lang yung may alam, siya lang yung may alam on how to implement yung confidential activities. Di po ba?
Yes po.
Yes
Siya
po.
ang expert.
Oh, wait. You can explain po later, ma'am, ha? Okay,
Sorry
now.
po.
And you only came to know that Colonel Lachica knows how to implement the confidential activities. Nalaman nyo lang na si Colonel Lachica yung may alam paano i-implement yung confidential activities precisely because yun yung sabi sa inyo ni VP Inday Sara Duterte. Tama po ba?
Kasi po ang
Wait,
security...
ma'am, with all due respect po, pwede pong sagutin ng yes or no without explanation. Ma'am, I will allow you, pero pwede po bang sagutin po muna? Yes or no? I will allow you to explain.
Your Honor, the witness is answering, Your Honor. May the witness be allowed to finish her answer?
She already started answering, counsel. Let her answer and you can continue with your direct. Kindly answer, pakisagot po, Ma'am Gina. Yung katanungan.
Your Honor, may I request to repeat the question,
Okay,
Your
now.
Honor?
Ulit na lang po, Attorney
I
Ligutan.
will. Nalaman mo na si Colonel Lachica yung may alam paano i-implement yung confidential activities. Kasi nga, yun yung sabi sa inyo ni VP Sara Duterte. Tama po ba?
Yes, siya po ang security officer na sinabi ni Vice Presidente.
Alright. Now, I'm showing you yung transcript, page 140 this time. Do we have it? Page 140. Tanong sa inyo, Representative Luis Rodel, why did you give all the money to Colonel Lachica? Yung sagot niyo was, because po may utos po ni Ma'am Inday Sara na sa kanya ko po i-release kasi siya po ang nakakaalam kung paano po i-implement ang mga programs and activities in line po sa confidential activities. You confirm that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Madam, since si Lachica yung may alam paano i-implement yung project under confidential funds, siya din yung nag-implement ng mga confidential activities. This time, ma'am, hindi na 2022. This time, for 2023, correct?
Same question, Your Honor.
Okay, I will repeat the question. Since sabi mo, ipinabigay ni VP Sara yung pera kay Lachica kasi siya yung may alam paano i-implement yung confidential activities. Okay, now, yung tanong is, si Colonel Lachica din, yung nag-implement ng lahat ng confidential activities, this time, ma'am, para sa taong 2023. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your
Tama
Honor.
po. Now, this is the question now. You will agree that handling tsaka yung pagdi-disperse ng 500 million pesos
500.
na pera ng bayan, ma'am, pondo ng bayan, hindi iyan trabaho ng isang security officer kagaya ni Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor.
What's the objection?
Counsel, what's the objection?
Your Honor, the objection is grounded that it's argumentative and it calls for a conclusion, Your Honor.
Kindly modify, counsel. It is
Okay, now.
argumentative. You can modify and get
Yes,
the
ma'am.
response you want from the witness.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Now, Madam Witness, hindi po ba na base sa paragraph 3.27 ng Joint Circular 2015, please flash that one, yun yung trabaho ng isang security officer refers to a personnel who by reason of his duty or employment has been officially designated to have access to security information. Tanong, andyan ba dyan nakasulat na po pwedeng yung isang security officer yung mag-i-implement ng confidential activities tsaka yung magdi-disburse ng confidential funds ng isang ahensya like the Office of the Vice President?
Same objection, Your Honor. Argumentative and calls for a conclusion.
If she knows, counsel, because she answered that she based her actions on based on JC 2015-1. Ma'am Gina, pakisagot po yung tanong. Bahagi po ba ng trabaho ng security officer ayon sa Joint Circular ang tumanggap ng confidential at mag-implement ng confidential funds?
Siya po ang may alam, siya po ang eksperto, Your Honor, sa pagpatupad po ng confidential operation and activities, Your Honor. Kasi siya po ang may access when it comes to national security, Your Honor.
Ayon po kanino, ma'am? Ayon sa Joint Circular, ayon sa interpretasyon nyo, o ayon sa utos sa inyo?
Ayon po sa Joint Circular, Your Honor.
Saan po sa Joint Circular? Alam niyo po?
At saka, ayon po sa utos ng head of agency, kasi meron po siyang security officer na order, Your Honor.
Counsel, your witness.
Of course, iisa-isahin natin yan. Sinabi mo na sa Joint Circular, yung basihan, na po pwede yung security officer, okay, mag-disburse ng confidential funds. Ma'am, I will give you all the time you will need. Basahin. 2015 circular. Saan dyan? Saan dyan makikita yung sinasabi mong po pwedeng security officer yung maggasta, disburse ng confidential funds?
Your Honor, based po sa aking nalalaman sa GC, ako po ang special disbursing officer. Ang gawain ko po, Your Honor, is to disburse. Pero ang pag-implement po ng mga confidential operation activities in related to confidential funds, yan po ay saklaw po sa trabaho po ng isang security officer kasi wala po akong alam, hindi ako eksperto, Your Honor, sa pagpatupad ng various confidential activities or operations on the grounds, Your Honor.